All right, the last thing that you need to learn from today is how to find the discriminant and interpret the discriminant. The discriminant is this portion right over here in our quadratic formula. It is this b squared minus 4ac, okay? The discriminant tells us how many real solutions or x-intercepts or zeros there will be in a quadratic equation. So for example, if we have a discriminant that is greater than 0, we can expect to find two solutions, two real solutions, or two x-intercepts or zeros. If it equals 0, then we can find one real solution. And then if it's less than 0, there will be no x-intercepts or no real solutions, okay? So let's go ahead and find out the discriminant and interpret the discriminant for A and B here, okay? The first thing that you want to do, of course, is to make sure that your equation is in standard form, and A is already in standard form. So once you have it in standard form, we're going to find out what our A value is, our B value, and our C value. Our A value here is going to be 1, our B value is positive 8, and then our C value is negative 3. Now let's go find the discriminant by using b squared minus 4ac. That's it. Okay, so b squared is just going to be 8 squared minus 4 times a, which is 1, and c, which is negative 3. 8 squared is just 64. 4 times 1 is 4, and then 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. When we subtract a negative number, that is the same thing as adding. So our discriminant is going to be 76. 76 is obviously greater than 0, so what does that tell us? We can expect to find two real solutions, which is the same thing as two x-intercepts, or even 2 zeros. All right, let's go ahead and end off with B now. The first thing you want to do is make sure that it is in standard form, and this is not in standard form. Let's move everything to one side of the equation. To do that, I'm going to subtract 6x on both sides. And then what do we have? We have 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 equals 0. Awesome. Now let's identify what our A, B, and C values are. Our A value is 9, our B value is negative 6, and then our C value is 1. And now let's go ahead and use this b squared minus 4ac to find out what value we get. So b squared minus 4ac. B is going to be negative 6, so it's just negative 6 squared minus 4 times A, which is 9, times c, which is 1. So negative 6 squared is negative 6 times negative 6, which is 36, minus 4 times 9 is 36, and 36 times 1 is, again, 36. So 36 minus 36, which equals 0. Oh, so if our discriminant equals 0, that means that we will have one real solution, or one x-intercepts, or 1 0. What would it look like on a graph? Well, maybe it'll look something like this parabola. See how it's touching the x-intercept only once. What would this look like? Maybe it'll look something like this, where it touches the x-intercept twice. So that's how we use the discriminant to give us a little bit more information about our quadratic equation. Okay, that's it. Bye.